Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to pass clipboard images as PNG. So you click in this sign of this color here, like you see color it's gone. That's me pass clipboard image as png, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.